That the blacksmith's Tai Chi really comes in handy. You're like, all right, I'm looking at this, so I want this leaf to be up, and then I want that to swing down underneath, so that tells me that I need to nick it right there if I want that to end up on the other side. And I'm going to do this right at the widest point, just marking it.
Nick, did you talk anything about the advertising of the scholarship?
Oh no, but I certainly could.
What's that?
I haven't, but I certainly could.
Because this demo fulfills part of Nick's requirement for his scholarship.
Oh, I didn't realize that. I thought I had to make fire tongs.
Ah!
All right.
No, it just says do a demonstration. Demonstration.
Yeah, so I was fortunate enough recently to take a class with Chuck Close, who is a really tremendous blacksmith. He was a journeyman smith at Colonial Williamsburg, worked with Peter Ross for a number of years, and does a style of work that I really admire and respect. Because it's pretty fringy, it's colonial. There's no power tools whatsoever. It's a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. And I was able to take that class because I applied to and received the NEB scholarship. And if you have been a member of NEB for more than 2 years, I believe it is, you can apply for this scholarship. It has to be a real class. It can't just be a seminar. But you go, you learn something, and then you come back here and you share some portion of it with the group, and they pay your way.